Hey everyone, so recently we have made some changes in your homepage. So what changes we have did and how it will be helpful to you, let me guide you for that. So each and every homepage, whenever you will log in, each and every homepage will be customized as per your requirement. You can customize a widget from here. Few options we have provided, like you can select the pending task, deal with action date today, pending approvals, batches expiring, then intelligence widget as well. So these are some of the customizable format. Now, what data are here? This is related to your task. This is related to your document approval. Fine. Sorry, this is for the inventory approval. Here is the item in low stock just for the quick highlight. Now coming below, this is the Transact AI, where you can go ahead and create your workflow, and this will come on management profile only. Then after comment auto scan. So there are several functionalities we have provided. In intelligence, it will show you the cards for business intelligence. You can very well go ahead and refresh the data, and also whenever you will click on this, it will show you all the inventory approval which is pending. You can approve directly from here, or you can click on view all, and then after you can go ahead and approve them as well. On your right hand side, we have provided the insight access code. This particular insight access code uh, shows you that how well you are working on transact, like uh, how many activities you are doing, documents you are creating, then after production process you are creating. So this has been just provided to you to have a quick glimpse whenever you log in on Transact. I hope this particular homepage will be helpful to you. We are open for feedback and suggestion. Please reach us our support chat and please share your valuable feedback and suggestion. Have a good day ahead.